Efendim herkese Belgrad'dan selamlar. Geldik sayılır. Ve gene startmışmış bir olacağız. Teleskop aldık bile. Müthiş. Speed 180 and splash 1. Speed 180. Flaps 1. Checklist yapalım, okuyalım. Decam status. Checked. Approach top and runway ILS 1 to left, minimum 517 approach phase active. Cleared altitude per reference 1017 and project is complete. Efendim belki de establish olacağız. Olduk bile zaten. Birazdan alçalacağız. Sadece biraz yüksek. Azaltmaya başlayabiliriz onda. Onun haricinde 8.5 miles aways. Bir yapalım 145. 145 set. Biraz speed break'e ihtiyaç duyabiliriz bu noktada. 3000 is approach altitude.
2,500.
Checked. 7 miles. Gear down. Gear down. 180. Flaps 2. Flaps 2. Runway inside. Checked. Landing person. I'm returning person. Coming crew hazır.
Serbia 79 Foxtrot, runway 12 left, clear to land, wind 60 degrees.
1 to left, clear to land, Air Serbia 79 Foxtrot. Air Serbia'yı geçiyoruz. Flaps 3. 145. Tamamen speed bekliyoruz şu anda. Last 5 miles. Checked. Flaps full. Standby. Right. Spoilers retracted. Checked. Landing checklist. Auto brake. Medium is separated altitude 3000. Decam minimum. Landing no blue. Checked. İnişlerimiz olsa efendim. Autopilot 1 and 2 disengaged. I have controls. Rüzgar sakin, hava açık. Trafik yok denecek kadar az.
F812, thanks to holding point Bravo, runway 12 left, via Foxtrot, Mike and Alpha.
Please to hold point runway 12 left, via Foxtrot, Mike and Alpha, and 8
To red, to white.
4.
Land. Checked.
100 above. Minimum.
Continue. Biraz yukarıdayız.
Light slow.
40. 30. 20. Retard. 5.
Reverse on. Spoilers up. Ailerons, reverse up. Manual brake. Sağdan kaçabiliriz. 140 FPM indik. Güzel bir şey oldu. Ne bu? Whiskey The Romeo 2, Romeo 2. Air Serbia 79 Foxtrot, just vacate 1 to left on the right, Romeo 2.
Serbia 79 Foxtrot, welcome to Belgrad taxi to stand Charlie 2 via Alpha, Golf and Foxtrot.
Biraz yavaşlayalım. Thank you, taxi stand Charlie 2 via Alpha Golf Foxtrot, Air Serbia 79 Foxtrot. I guess we can cross the runway. 128, left's clear. I guess. Right's clear. Yeah, right's clear, keep going. Alright, we'll use Alpha.
Radio check, Belgrad Tower, can you hear me? EC1208.
Stroke elimizden kaçalım.
Station calling with the DBAT 4, some static in the background.
Our turn lights off, taxi lights on, strobe lights off. Master switch on.
Belgrad Tower, EC1208,
That's clear.
can you hear me? Radio check.
Right's clear.
Station calling, I don't know where you are, and we're about DBAT 4.
Fine. PKs off. Flaps up. Spoilers up. AP on.
F812, line up and wait runway 12 left.
Dame i gospodo, molim vas da ostanete na sedištima dok se avion potpuno ne zaustavi i dok ne bude isključen znak za vezivanje pojaseva. Budite pažljivi prilikom otvaranja gornjih polica.
F812, runway 12 left, clear take off wind 060 degrees, green on.
Stav prtljag. Nadam se da vam je let sa nama bio prijatan. U ime kapetana i svih članova posade zahvaljujemo vam se što ste leteli Air Srbijom i radujemo se novom susretu na nekom od naših sledećih letova. Za vaše sledeće putovanje molimo vas da posetite naš website airserbia.com i pratite nas na društvenim mrežama. Hvala i doviđenja.
Ladies and gentlemen, please keep your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign is switched off. We kindly ask you to take care when opening the overhead stowage compartments, and please ensure that you collect all your belongings before leaving the aircraft. We hope you had a comfortable flight. On behalf of the captain and the entire crew, thank you for flying with Air Serbia, and we are looking forward to welcoming you on our flights again. For your next flight, please visit airserbia.com and follow us on social media. Thank you and goodbye.
Alright, fine. Kamera anonsları yapılırken bir yandan da baktık taksi rotamıza efendim. Alfa'dan geçeceğiz, Alfa'dan Golf, which is second left on second left. Then first right on Charlie and second left gate, Charlie 2. Not the first one. The first one is not the taxiway. We have to be on. It's hotel. Yeah, this one is a hotel. Alright, we'll take first left. Correction, second left and first right. Up. We have a parking taxi traffic on the one to left. Right, second left and first right. And second gate on the left. Gate'lerin yazması lazım ki yazıyor. O çok iyi, direkt Charlie 2 olarak yazıyor binada. Free this break for me, thank you. Fine, kapıya geldik. AP available. Taxi lights off. This is Charlie 1, so we will take the Charlie 2.
Airport 812, identify passing 1,600. Unfortunately, no further ATC, monitor Unicom 122, decimal 8, bye-bye.
Monitor Unicom 122 decimal 8, Airport 812, thank you for ATC. Have a nice evening, bye sir.
Ciao.
Parking brake set. Alright, AP readable, engine 1 and 2 off. Thank you.
Cabin crew disarm doors.
Alright, thank you.
Deboarding requested.
Alalım deboarding'i. Seatbelt signs off. Please aid the travel.
Passengers deboarding starting.
Vehicle lights off.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Right, fine.
when disembarking, please take care and hold on to the handrails while walking down the stairs. Please ensure that you supervise your children, and for your own safety, do not walk underneath the wing.
İzleyelim yolcuları.
Have a good night. Goodbye.
Evet, öyle bir uçuştu. İlk defa Krakow'dan geldik buralara. Ve Serbia'yla. Hoşçakalın.